not meant for off-road.
Alright, I'm on my way to Moose's house right now because today is a very exciting day. I get to actually go on a mini bike adventure. So I'm headed over there. I got some gas, I got my helmet, and then I'm gonna just cruise around, not just because every time we ride it, it breaks. So I'm gonna take it easy, go for a little adventure, explore a little bit, and see if it will hold up and stay running. But yeah, I'll see you at Moose's house. Got all my stuff. Here's the mini bike. I know it's been a while. Pretty standard stuff. We've ridden it around a few times since the last vid, but chrome flywheel cover. I'm gonna fill it up with gas. Moose did mention something about the chain being a little too tight. Anybody who has a mini bike, let me know, because I'm kind of used to chains being like this tight. It's not too loose, not too tight. So let me know if that's good in the comments. I think so. We'll find out. So yeah, I'm gonna fill it up, let it warm up for a little bit, and then we'll take it out on a cruise. It's starting to get cloudy and gloomy, so I hope it doesn't rain on me. I got the helmet with the GoPro and the speed goggles. Yeah, probably gonna look pretty goofy, but that's the headlamp. When we go into the tunnel, I'll switch off from the helmet and I'll do chest cam. Ran into a thing. Anybody who has a mini bike, why does it do that? Every time I try and crank it, it skips is it just not lined up? That's what I'm thinking, because it's a brand new aluminum flywheel. I don't see why it wouldn't catch. Moose said it does that, so. Awesome. All right, so we got it running. It's weird with the little flywheel. I don't know why it does that. And looks like we already have some muffler crackage right here. So hopefully that doesn't fall off because it is wiggly. We'll see. I don't know if somebody fell on it or something. But oh shoot. Okay, see, that's why we're testing it. All right, here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, let's see. Maybe go around this way. Machine. Throw it on the chest mount. Whoa! All right. Here's a little step up. one's even smaller. I don't think it'll work. See the tunnel, so I don't know. That's as far as I can go in here until we find a better tunnel. Now we go back. Successfully. Woo. It'll take a second, bro. Look how dirty we got the bike. Let's just make sure everything's tight here. The muffler's literally wagging around. Make sure there's not too much water in the carburetor. I think that went great. Now I'm just gonna probably switch back over to helmet cam, and or not, maybe we'll run it like this for a little bit, see how that goes. It is raining out. Oh yeah, burnout, baby. Is a blast. Alright, I'm gonna switch back. Just so you know, this is what I look like when I'm riding around. So, pretty stupid, but hey, it's fun. Close up, take some pictures. try. Oh! Hell yeah, boy. Ain't no thing. Where are we at? Okay. Okay, this thing is great. Bikes are not meant for off-road. Yeah. Recommend you get a freaking pit bike. They're so sick. But look at that. That is about to come off. It looks cool, purple and gold. This thing shreds though. It has no grip in the rears, but it shreds. It's so fast. I really don't know if any of these angles are working, so I'm just gonna slide you to the chest cam and we'll see how that goes. This is insanely fun, insanely dangerous, insanely fast. This thing probably tops out at like 50, 60 miles an hour. So on these little trails, it's kind of crazy. But here we go. I slid the hell out, chat. Oh my god. The only reason why I didn't die is because this thing is so low to the ground. Woo! Let's go up here. Oh! I almost went over the handlebars. All right, how about some pictures? My bad. Oh, okay. I'll leave right now. Ready? What up with the Civic? Oh, the muffler definitely fell off. Okay, wait, the muffler definitely fell off in the road. Hold up. How hot? Ah, it's way too hot. Alright, hold up. Shit. I don't want it to melt my flashlight. Alright, I'll have to come back for it. I know exactly where it is. Like, listen. It's actually two-stepping and popping now, so I don't know what we're gonna do. Two-step and then we're done. Very good. And ready. Oh shoot, melted my pants a little bit, but I don't think that could have gone any better. So fun, no problems. Chain didn't come off, not even once. The only problem we did have was our muffler disappearing. But what are you gonna do? Pretty bummed that that fell off. I really like it being quiet because then I can kind of ride it around without pissing anybody off. But now I'm just gonna piss off all the old people. Definitely. Alright, bet. Where is this thing? Okay, I put it right there. It's all the way up there. Got my Dr. Pepper sponsor me? Okay. So it's terrible for you. Is it still hot? No. We're chilling. Yeah, that thing is, it chunked off the entire side right here. It seems a little crazy, but oh well. It's no biggie. I'll probably just get a new one. I don't think there's any chance we re-weld it. That's so funny. But that thing screams, bruh. It screams. It's so loud. Door handle's still broken. Gotta go on the inside. Been appreciating building this mini bike with Moose, and I can't wait to see where it brings us and what type of adventures we'll be able to get up to when we have multiple. That'll be awesome. And there's one other thing I wanted to show you. This past couple of days, my exhaust has been killing me. So I just chopped off the left side of the dual pipe and then added this tip, put a plate. I don't know if you can see that. I put a plate where the other exhaust used to come out. So it's just like a flat plate and then it comes out of this one. This one doesn't leak. It's really dang sturdy. The last one, I literally it was just bounce up and down. This one I can't even move, so super hype on that. The little turn up I think looks pretty good. I wish it was sticking out a little more, but for not measuring and doing a jank booga's job, I think it looks pretty good. I think that that about wraps up the video. Appreciate y'all for watching, and subscribe.